We all know spring and summer can bring thunderstorms, not just to West Michigan, but all across the country. However, in the last 40 years, the area of the country most likely to see these storms has been changing. Meteorologist Michael Barron joins us now with details on these changes and why we're seeing them. Michael.
Yeah, Val, data put out by Climate Central shows the pattern here where you see these oranges and browns. That's where thunderstorm potential has been decreasing since 1979. The eastern half of the country, including us here in Michigan, in the purples, where the chances of thunderstorms have been on the rise. So what has been changing during that same time period? Well, it's mostly been related to temperatures. As you can see here, over the last top 10 warmest years in the U.S., all but one of them have been since 1979, including 2021, which was ranked at number 4 on this list. Now, this warming is having two different effects. We have that warm, stable air out to the west, where we're not seeing any thunderstorms form. But when we add the warmth to a region of the country out toward the east, where we have plenty of moisture in the air, we certainly get more thunderstorm potential out there. This map here shows that warming pattern in spring. We're seeing a very similar pattern into the summer since the 1970s, where again we have that warming across the eastern U.S. Now, how does that play out when it comes to breaking down that thunderstorm potential by season? Well, very similar results here. You can see the eastern half of the country warming in spring, better chance for thunderstorms in spring. Of course, that ongoing drought out west decreasing their chances. Pattern continues into the summer, especially here in West Michigan, where we're seeing notable increases in the potential for thunderstorm days throughout the summer months. Now, one other thing that we are seeing with this changing pattern is a change in severe weather patterns too. Data on this map here shows how areas in those brighter oranges and reds have seen an increase in tornado potential since 1979.